Hi, it's EK Moto here. As I celebrate our 1-year ownership with XSR 155, we share to you yung ating likes and dislikes sa ating bike. Looks, of course, reliability, yung power will take you from point A to point B, no problem. City driving, also no problem. So first on our list is yung kanyang seat height. So ganitong itsura ng 5'4" sa Yamaha XSR. So as you can see, steep toe talaga tayo. So ganito itsura po ng 5'4" sa Yamaha XSR. Second thing na medyo dislike natin sa kanya is yung kanyang dash or yung LCD panel, especially during daytime. I-on natin siya para makita natin. So eto po siya, medyo hindi po talaga clear yung kanyang LCD. And third thing na natin gusto sa kanya is yung positioning ng kanyang busina. So makikita ninyo, ito po yung horn. Normally, kapag sa normal driving, ang pinakamadaling i-reach is yung side na to. Pero yung horn niya is nandito. Kailangan mong bumusina, medyo malayo yung aabutin mo. And the fourth thing na hindi natin gusto sa kanya is wala siyang compartment. In my case, nagdadala po tayo ng mga bags. Just like yung dala po natin ngayon is yung tail bag, just to paglagyan tayo ng mga gamit natin. And lastly, yung pinaka ayaw natin sa kanya is that wala po siyang ABS. Sa price range po kasi niya na may SRP na 182,000 pesos, most sa mga price range nito sa ibang models at sa ibang bikes ay equipped na sila. Mga XSR here in the Philippines was not equipped with this kind of feature. So sayang. Okay, so but then again, don't get me wrong, nakapokus naman natin dito is that mapuntahan natin yung mga destination natin safely. So